What's good, YouTube? Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy, The Barber Wheel. We're gonna start this video off with the wall heroes. These are some of the hardest clippers that I've ever witnessed, that I've ever had personally. We start out with this bald guideline. In this haircut, I'm gonna be doing a bald taper. Keep it wave length at the top. He doesn't want me to touch the top because he's wolfing. And as you can see, man, it's been a little while since I've cut his hair. I've been out in training, and his hairline got pushed back a little. But despite that, you already know I'm finna go the fuck off. You feel me? Now you see me go in with the number 0 guard on the Ostra Fast Feeds. These are some of my personally favorite clippers, man. They're like the smoothest clippers, honestly, man. They give you the smoothest fade other than the Wall Seniors. Now you see me get that first guideline, and then I open it up, lever all the way open, and I notch out this top line. And then remember, we're keeping his hair at the top, so just remember you always fade up when you want to just go into a fade. I don't want to knock any of his hair down, so I don't want to come down with the grain. Here you see me going at that bottom line. Take the guard off, free-handed, and I'm just working. Here in just a second, I'm gonna speed the clip up because you're gonna see me work on one side, so there's no need for you to see the other side. And here you see me steady attacking that line. And notice that I'm not putting the whole blade on the head. I'm just using the corners, the teeth as we call it, of the blades. And now I'll go with the number 1, and I'm going at this top line because I want to get this fade as smooth as possible. And as you can see, it's already coming to a smooth blend. Now I go with the number 2, debulking the top of the hair, and you can see me go behind the ears. That's a little trick that I like to do. It's really good when it comes down to lining, especially behind the ears. It lets the hair lay down. Now you see me go back with the number 1, and I'm just debulking, trying to get this fade as smooth as possible. Now you can see that the fade is pretty much came together, and I take the guard off and work on magic. Doing that, I want to debulk as much as I can so I can make this transition as smooth as possible. Now I'll go in with the number 1. This I'm going to open up, and I'm going to do what they call lever play. So you may see me open and close as I fade, but that's just something that I got used to over my couple years of cutting. Just a little bit about myself. 21 years old. I've been a licensed barber for 2 years in the state of Arkansas. As you can see, I'm lever playing at the moment. And you can see the fade already starting to fall together. Now here I come down with the number 0 guard, just smoothing the bottom of the takedown. And I start notching with the teeth of the blade. Take it off, and I'm trying to get at this bottom guideline. And as you can see, the fade is just coming together so well. And I'm gonna be honest, man, this is actually editing, and this was so dope. Like, to see this all come together was just crazy. Like, I never knew editing could be this hard, but honestly, man, I'm really digging it. And as you can see, I'm still notching with the corner of the blade, and I'm working that line. And I take the number 0 guard. And as I mentioned before, going behind the ears, man, to give that pop of a line, you feel me?